Okay, so this is gonna be a very short unboxing of my new electrophoresis tank, because yeah, that's right, I bought my own. It even has my name on it. So this is the FMMS10 electrophoresis tank, which is made in UK from Biocom. Let's see what's in the box here. I am gonna test this today using a Golden Gate assembly reaction. So this is my the build from the company. You have here an instruction manual that's gonna basically tell you how to how to load, how to put the gel, and so on. This is useful. These are the combs. They come in different sizes, but I got the 1.5 millimeters ones, I think. Yeah, they are kind of broad, but this will come in handy for gel extractions, probably. You also have the wires from the tank. So these go into the power source. Have the red and the black one. These you basically use to pour the gel into the tank. I'll show you how to assemble it. And this is the actual tank. It's pretty small, but I like it. Let's get this box out of the way. Let's see how this goes together. So this is the lid right here. We're gonna put these two pieces right here, making sure that they form a seal. You're gonna pour the gel in here, and you can put the cones like here. So you can have like 8 samples to load here, 8 here. You're gonna put the gel, pour the gel in the tray. You're gonna fill this with, of course, with your buffer. You're gonna put the lid back on. Then you're gonna connect the wires that go into the electrophoresis source. You're gonna connect the black to the black. And you're gonna connect the red to the red. Yeah. And then you're gonna connect this to the power source. I cannot wait to try this on. I am actually pretty worried how I'm gonna get the gel out of here, and I do want to find out if I can reuse the buffer that I put in here, because usually these electrophoresis tank come with a tray that you can just take out, pour the gel in the tray, and then put the tray here. But in this tank, you're gonna have to basically pour the gel directly into the tank. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right. So I have already poured the gel. So this is the comb. These are the wells, and these casting trays I'm also gonna take out. Okay, this is the gel right here. And let me put some buffer in here. Make sure that the whole gel is covered in TAE. Alright. Okay, well, that's about it. Then I'm gonna put something in these wells and let's see how it migrates. I don't know if you can see the bubbles forming. Yeah, this works. let's see how it goes.